Welcome to the King Boy channel. Today here, this is like a little update video right here. What's going on? I just finished disassembling my motor. Probably should have got it on footage, but hey, my motor had I always thought it had a bent valve because it didn't have no compression in number 2 cylinder. And no matter what I did, if I changed spark plug, injectors, everything, it always misfired in number 2 cylinder. Well, now actually looking at it, I think I figured out where it was actually coming from. This is my motor disassembled right here. Looking at the pistons, I mean, they're just typical carbon buildup. You know, I definitely should have been running seafoam. I did see an indentation right here. If you see my finger on it, it don't look like it's in the metal, but it definitely looks like the valve might have made contact right there. I don't know, that could have been for me disassembling it, but I figured if it was from me disassembling, it'd be the number 1 cylinder right here. But that may be a issue right there. Also looking at the other, cylinder walls. The number 3 cylinder wall had a lot of, it still got cross hatching, but I can kind of feel some engraving, so may have to rehome the block. I'm not for sure on that. I got to clean it up some more and then check it out. But this is the passenger side cylinder head. The number 1 cylinder look good. Number 2 look. This was the one that blew the spark plug out. As you can see, if I get right up on it, let the camera focus. It actually blew a piece out right here. Like, you kind of see compared to how it's supposed to be and how it's all blowed out. That may have been an issue with the reason why that wasn't firing. I did put some gas in it to see where the leaking at. And from what I can see, I can't tell the valve's leaking, but I'm gonna say the intake valve looks like it's just slightly bent, and there's a possible chance that blow by is getting past the spark plug. Now this is the number 3 cylinder right here. You can see that this has been blowed out before, because this actually got a spark plug kit in it. So whoever had the truck before me definitely had some issue, because as you can see, it blew that whole piece out. So this truck has had cylinder head work on before, and you can tell how the normal one will look like versus how this has been blowed out and how this has been blowed out. So there's a good possible chance that one of these 2 cylinders, because I got 2 valves is open. This intake is I think it's on this intake stroke right here. This is on the exhaust stroke right here. So this is probably just fired. But anyway, that's the only issue I seen right there. So I'm thinking that the misfire situation I had was definitely coming from one of these 2 cylinders right here. Also, if you look at the block, like I look on the passenger, well, not passenger, but driver side. I mean, driver side looks good. It looks real good. Actually, looks like it's in a lot better shape than the passenger side for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but compared to the carbon buildup, it seems to be a lot more carbon buildup on this side. Looking at the timing chains and everything, timing chains not stretched. They look pretty good. I mean, plastic guys wasn't broken. This motor look like it's in flawless state. I mean, this is the factory oil pump. Nothing looks out of the ordinary in the oil pump, which I haven't removed it yet, but nothing seemed to be out in the ordinary on it. So from looking at it, it's really hard to say what was the issue is. Really hard to say, because everything looked good. I mean, the only issue I have seen is probably those 2 cylinders right there. But the plan is we're gonna put factory gaskets back on, which is not the one to come with the truck, but factory style gaskets. I want to keep the bottom end. I was thinking about forging the bottom end. I still ain't made my mind up on it yet, especially because I'm looking at this number 3 cylinder right here. I gotta shine some light on it to see how bad that is. But if that cylinder is like grooved pretty bad, I'm probably gonna put a forged bottom end in here, because I've been thinking about putting a forged bottom end, because I got this plan on where I kind of feel like supercharging. I'm not sure on my mind. I haven't really made my mind up, but I've been thinking about supercharging this motor for real. Just like I said, this is the 462 valve. Everything look good. Water pump look good. I mean, this motor was in flawless state. I mean, you could definitely tell. Like I changed it every 2,000 oil. I never went at 3,000 on an oil change. So I mean, it shows it too. Like it's in flawless condition. It's in really good condition. I mean, even from looking at the like sometimes these will be broken off right here. On some of these motors, I mean, flawless. I mean, got a little factory silicone here and there, which I'm going to clean that up, scrape it off, clean it up, stuff right here. But looks good. I mean, it's just looks like a really good looking motor right here. Plan is basically is the like I said, maybe not haven't decided I want to put a forged bottom in or not. I got to go back in details, kind of just look at some stuff on the cylinder walls. You know, I might have one of my Ford expert come over here and check it out and see what he think about it. Also, with the cams, I'm planning on, you know, like I said, it's gonna be a stage 2 cam, factory intake. You know, nothing special about the intake. Another long tube headers, just a full on top end builder, new timing chain, billet timing chain guides, all that right there. The basics pretty much. The plan is, like I said, haven't decided I want to put a forged bottom in or not, but I'm working on it. But yeah, this is the King Boys channel. Just keeping y'all updated on the channel, what y'all think. Y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out.